In this video, I am going to show you how to download Microsoft Office 2019 for free. So let's get started. Alright, click on the first link to get to this page. Scroll down under Create, New Configuration. Click on Create. Here, choose your system architecture. If in case you don't know your system architecture, simply right-click on the Windows icon and choose System. Here you can find your system architecture. Mine is 64-bit, so I am going to choose 64-bit. Next, under Office Suites, choose Office Professional plus 2019 or 2021, whatever version you want. In my case, I want to install 2019, so I am going to choose Office Professional plus 2019. Now here, toggle the apps you want to on, leave the apps you don't want, and click Next. Next language, choose English, click Next. Under Update and Upgrade, leave everything to default and click Next. In Licensing and Activation, select KMS and click Next. Under Application, leave everything to default and scroll down, right until you see three options: Import, Export, and Reset. Select on Export and choose Office. Open XML formats. Click OK, give a name to the file. I am going to name it as Office 2019 Pro Plus. After naming the file, click Export. Make sure to create a separate folder to keep track of all the required files that we need for the installation. Now, click on the second link below to get to this page. Here, simply click on the Download button to download the Office Deployment Tool. After downloading, run the tool, accept license terms, and click Continue. It will ask you to choose a folder to extract the required setup file. Simply navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the Office Pro Plus 2019 XML file. Now, in the same folder, delete all the other stuff we don't want except XML file and setup file. Next, copy the path of the location where the file is located to your clipboard. Next, open the command prompt and type cd space, the file path where you have stored the file folder. Next, type setup /configure and the exact file name of the XML document, with.xml. Now you can see that the Office will begin installing on your PC. I will be back once it's done. There you have it. Office is now successfully installed on our PC.